So we're down here at this project in Graspy with James, the owner of James Dean Building and Landscaping, and he's invited me down to show off this unbelievable project that he's turned out here. And I think that's the only superlative I can come out with. James, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us what your challenges were on this job that you faced, looking at the size of it, like it's incredible finish. What's been the biggest things you've had to get over, the challenges?
Definitely the timing. Underestimate the timing by quite a long shot on this one. I put 12 weeks in for the job. We were 16 weeks here.
Yeah.
Down to the detail really. When you start putting the detail in for the finish we got, trying to maintain that standard of detail all the way around has been a challenge, and it's taken impact on the time and I put in for the project.
Yeah.
Apart from that, it's gone pretty smoothly. The levels have all worked, everything's gone down well, and I'm really chuffed with the outcome. It's gone in like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah.
It was well planned to start with, so the planning's helped a lot.
Yeah.
We put the planning in, the job just it went down, it laid itself. So yeah. Really chuffed.
And you can see that in the planning. When you say the attention to detail, what could you offer people watching this as like those really minute things that I can see you've took pride in on this job?
It's keeping the cuts tight, not just keep maintaining the same standard all the way through.
So when you say cuts tight, what does that mean?
5mm joints.
Don't know
we have a 5mm tolerance on the, a 5mm joint, which gives us a 1mm tolerance on cuts. It's just maintaining them straight lines, keeping all the joints the same width, and you look at that at the end and not seeing things taper to wide joints. I think you get a lot better thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And what's the products that this client's chosen? I'm assuming the client chose them. They are fantastic. Porcelain, right?
Correct.
And what's the advantages of a porcelain patio like this?
Definitely the maintenance, because it's a non-porous paving, nothing really sticks to it. So your algae and your mosses just sweep off, bit of warm water and a stiff brush, clean. Maintenance all the way for advantages porcelain, definitely the maintenance side of things. And you get a lot of the different prints on top as well. You know, there's the variety out there in the brochure are unbelievable. There's that many different finishes you can choose. The type, all the different finishes and the maintenance side of things.
Yeah. Okay, great product, great finish. I've got one more question for you though.
Go for it.
When you do my house?
I'll get a price sorted out, Paul.
Amazing.
Thank you very much, buddy. Thank you.